Well, hello again, everybody, and welcome to another edition of Shooting Stuff with Dave. So, as you could probably guess, I'm Dave, and we're gonna shoot some stuff. So, anyway, today we got like a two-part episode for you. If you recall from the first episode, I did a review of these walking targets that I bought from Princess Auto. And in that, I said that they were a little bit too light. They were only made with 1/8 plate. They flipped around. They got all bent up after a few shots. But I mean, they were only $5. But anyway, I wouldn't recommend them. But just so happens that I found a guy in Moncton who happens to have this wicked ass plasma cutting table, and just so happens that he makes the same kind of walking targets at a 1/4 inch plate. So, of course, I had to go and buy a few. So today we're going to give these a try and see if these work like they should, like I would have originally thought they would, just walking, you know, like such as that. But anyway, and then the second thing we're going to do, because I've been absent for a while, I had to go to work, which kind of sucks, but you know, we got to do it once in a while. A couple of months ago, I was at Princess Auto, and they had these targets on sale. It was called the deal of the day or something like that. Anyway, it's like a spinning target, and it's supposed to be resetting. So I picked up, I think they're $18 or something like that. So I picked up two of them. So we're going to give them a try too and see if they actually do reset themselves. They got a little bearing there and stuff like that. So I mean, it's pretty simple. But we're going to give them a go and see if they actually reset. And if they do, that'll be not bad. I mean, $18. And so anyway, again today we're going to be using my my Remington 597 Target Varmint Edition. Of course, it's calibered in a 22 long. And the Remington Bucket O bullets. So we're going to set some up. We'll give it a try, and we'll see what happens. And we're going to be shooting at 50 yards again today, so we're going to shoot down the lawn, and I'll get back to you. Well, there you have it. I think they worked pretty well. I mean, they worked a hell of a lot better than this garbage. I mean, but they were only $5. These were $20, but they walked quite nicely once I got hitting them. The first one there, I hit 4 times and it didn't move, but then I realized I was hitting it a little bit too low. So then I shot a little higher, and once I started hitting the paddle, then it started walking nicely. So all in all, I'd say these things work pretty good, and they're worth the $20. So, like I said, there's a guy in Moncton who makes and sells these. So if anybody wants his phone number or his email, just leave a message at the bottom and I'll send it to you and you can get a set of these for yourself. And as for this one, it wasn't spectacular. I mean, but it did work. It did, it reset. It came back to, you know, to face it so you could shoot it again. So all in all, really not bad. So worth the 18 bucks? Yeah, sure. Why not? And there you go. That's my review for this time. And we'll see you again on the next edition of Shooting Stuff with Dave. So make sure you stay tuned, and we'll see you then.